talk about, just for a little bit, the little things in LTL that make some of the biggest differences, especially if you're a shipper. And one of those things that I would think would be a little thing from the outside looking in is how you label your freight, the size of it, and what information goes on that labels. From the outside looking in, it seems like a small little thing. But at the end of the day, it's the little things that make the big results or the big impacts. So if you think about it, if you don't put a nice big label that has piece count or handling unit counts on it, that has the tracking number big and bold and legible, that has the origin and destination information on it and applicable reference numbers, then really your driver shows up and puts a tiny little pro sticker. Some of them are the size of my pinky, no joke. And they sticker that on the side of the freight. And if the dock worker doesn't want to get off his forklift to go look at that freight, he's going to turn that with the forklift blades. And that's more moves on that skid or that pallet, that's more susceptible to damage. And it's a little thing. He's just trying to get the information off of there that tells him where this thing is going. And a lot of the times they rely on those labels to keep their production up. Those dock workers are paid on moving bills per hour, and production is king and measured in LTL. So if you as a shipper can use the My Carrier labels in several different formats available, it's going to put all the information I mentioned on there. Scannable, barcode or pro number, handling unit count, 1 of 2, 2 of 2, right? All your reference numbers on there. It's gonna have all of your destination information on there. In fact, if I lost paperwork on that shipment, it doesn't matter because the label clearly articulates where it needs to go and what it is. And that is a little thing that shippers can do that makes a big impact for carriers, because you're taking that one pallet and you're putting it at a break bulk hub that has hundreds and hundreds of pallets moving around. That label, right, is its little visitor's badge. It's its name badge that says, this is who I am, what I am, and where I'm going. So from a shipper's perspective, think about how you're labeling your freight. The My Carrier platform is a free tool that gives customers awesome labels with complete information that make the carrier's life just a little bit easier, because it's the little things that add up to the big wins.